Hello friends, this is the continuation of our HTML5 series. In this tutorial we will learn about web worker. A web worker is a JavaScript running in the background without affecting the performance of a web page. As you might have noticed that when executing scripts in an HTML page, it becomes unresponsive until the script is finished. If you have learned any language like ASP.NET or Java, there is a feature like thread or background thread. What it does is it runs in the background without affecting the entire application. So in this example, we spawn a web worker that counts number in the background. For the sake of this tutorial, we need to create an external JavaScript. So this is the JavaScript file. There is a function called timeCount. At every second it increments 1 to the variable I and then posts a message. So this is simply a JavaScript. So we need to include this file inside our web worker. So this is our web worker file. Basically there are two buttons. First is to start the worker and the other is to stop the worker. When we click on the start worker button, it invokes start worker function, and when we click on stop worker button, it invokes stop worker function. By clicking the start worker function, it first checks whether worker is supported by the browser. If it is supported, then we check if W is instantiated or not. W is a variable. If it is not defined, then we create the object of our worker by calling demo_worker.js, that is the external JavaScript. Then we subscribe W to the function. After that we show the result. The result is the numbers being incremented. If worker is not supported by the browser, we show simply an error message that your browser does not support web worker. So what this script will do, it will just increment the number once we start the worker. Now if we stop the worker, it will simply terminate it. So invoking stop worker function, it terminates the web worker. So this is the end of our script. Now we need to preview the script. So this is the output when we preview it in our browser. So as we click on start worker, it will increment the numbers here, and if we click on stop, the worker will be stopped. Basically web worker is not used for such simple tasks, rather it is used for CPU intensive tasks. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.